Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start chapter number 3, negative sentence. So read the following sentences. Affirmative sentence means positive sentence and negative sentence. Actually now you are thinking that what is negative sentence? Negative sentence are those which use negative word not or no and which express refusal or denial of something. Okay, first is I am hungry, I am not hungry. We are fast friend, we are not fast friend. They were good players, they were not good players. She can do it, she cannot do it. It may rain today, it may not rain today. So these sentences on the left hand side are affirmative sentences, means positive sentence, and the sentence on the right hand side are negative sentence because they have the word not in them, right? And negative sentence expresses a refusal or denial. It expresses refusal or denial. Now for present continuous and past continuous, how we make negative sentence? The formation for present continuous and continuous tenses subject plus is MR plus present participle means ing form of verb. Okay, and for past continuous tense subject plus was were plus not plus present participle. Okay, so for negative sentence we will make all this as I'm driving my car, I'm not driving my car. She's running fast, she's not running fast. They are singing together, they are not singing together. He was selling fruits, he was not selling fruits. They were speaking loudly, they were not speaking loudly. So we use not after the helping verb is MR or was and verb, right? Now for present simple tense, the formation of negative sentence will be subject plus do or does. Do with plural form and does with singular form and did with past form. Plus not plus base form of verb means infinitive first verb. Now I walk daily. I plural. So what we will use? Do not. I do not walk daily. She learns her lesson. She is singular. So what we will use? Does not. She does not learn her lesson. He reads newspaper. Singular. He does not read English newspaper. They dance in the rain. Plural. They do not dance in the rain. My sister works in an office. My sister does not work in an office. Sarita sang a song. Sang, past form. Sarita did not sing a song. Now, has or have means where we will use has, have, or had. It all shows possession. So with these type of sentences where the helping verb is has, have, or had, we use no as instead of not. No is the another name which means another negative word which means not any. Now see, I have a mobile. I have no mobile. We will use no here with has, have, or had. We have a house. We have no house. He has a bicycle. He has no bicycle. She has a notebook. She has no notebook. They had a car. They had no car. Sentence containing has, have, had shows possession. The negative sentence is formed with subject plus has, have, had plus no. Okay, now this is your chapter for you. Now we will do exercise. Change the following sentences into negative. He is wise. I am sports person. They are my neighbors. She was present in the classroom. You can go now. B. Again change into negative sentence. He works hard. She waits for me. They speak French fluently. They talk to each other. The train arrived very late. You have 4 exercises in this chapter for change the sentence into negative. So let's see how you have to write in this blank. I'll show you the solution. So take your pencil and do it. So your first one is he is not wise. Second, I am not a sports person. Third, they are not my neighbors. Fourth, she was not present in the classroom. Fifth, you can go now. Now B part, he does not work hard. She does not wait for me. Third, they do not speak French fluently. Fourth, they do not talk to each other. Fifth, the train did not arrive very late. Now your C portion is he is not flying a kite. She is not driving a scooter. They are not playing chess. We were not wandering in the jungle. And fifth is boys were not making a noise. D part is I have no wristwatch. We have no office in New Delhi. Third, she has no pet cat. Fourth, they had no big house. Fifth, he had no computer. So this is the exercise of your chapter number 3rd. Now your next question is match the pronouns with the appropriate tree. So we have to match the pronoun with appropriate tree. Means for singular we use singular verb, for plural we use plural verb. They do not. We do not. He does not. She does not. It does not. I do not. You do not. Okay. So this is the chapter for you today. Hope you understand this and please complete this.